So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a new sink here in the hall bath. It's got the tub shower combo, toilet next to it. One of the things, a couple of things that we did underneath is that we replaced the P-trap, the old Schedule 40. We just cut the whole thing out, put a tubular P-trap in there, a little extension. And then also we put in a brand new drain assembly. We didn't like the old drain that was in there. Didn't want to reuse it, so we had this on our truck, a little chrome trap or chrome drain assembly. So that's installed and that's good. And then additionally we did take out the old Quest tubing, the 24-year-old gray plastic tubing, and gave you some braided stainless steel supplies. Up on top, brand new ProFlow sink. This is straight out of Ferguson, 20 by 17. And then existing faucet, so that's not ours, it's the older Mullen. So 24 years, let's do the math. It's been a while. So it's still functioning great. So remounted that. The base gasket wasn't in good shape, so we just filled the whole thing full of putty, tightened it down, so you're good to go on that. The tiles are pretty uneven all the way around. We showed the homeowner this, and you can see in the front it's up quite a bit, and then as you get around to the side you can see it's sitting down on tile. So pretty uneven, but that's okay. We got lots of caulking in there, so just let that dry at least 24 hours before you start using it, and everything should be good. We did tighten up the packing nut on the shutoff valves. Those are existing to the home, hot and cold. They were weeping just a little bit when we turned the water back on, a little bit of water. So we wiped it up, cleaned it up best we could, and then checked it just a minute ago. They feel dry, but do monitor the plumbing in here. Anytime you work on plumbing, things develop. Once the plumber leaves, things start to weep a little bit. If you get any trouble, give me a holler. We'll come out and get it tightened up for you. But like I say, those are specific to the home. If they start to give you trouble, and they shouldn't, if you don't ever use them again, they should be fine. It's just the next time you turn them off, the older they get, the more problems you start to have with them. So we can certainly replace those at some point if they do become problematic, but right now they're in good shape. Anyway, so everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.